Yo, good morning. How we doing today? Hopefully everybody's doing good. Give me 1 second while I set everything up. What up? Let's see. Good morning, George. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Larry. Larry, channel member. Greatly appreciate you, as always. Let's see. Yesterday, Baba was play a day. I don't know what, honestly, I kind of low-key forget what happened yesterday. I don't think anything else from the watch list hit, but the Baba did. Baba was beautiful. Hopefully you guys were able to catch that. But yeah, one thing that, I talk about it a lot in the past, or I have talked about it a lot in the past, TLT. Hopefully you guys remember TLT, because I'm pretty sure I've talked about it for like 2 months straight, 2 or 3 months straight. But if we're looking at TLT, every single time it broke below the bear flag, besides one time the market followed. So if we bring this chart right here and we look at TLT, well, there was a bear flag. First off, TLT topped right up here, December 3rd of 2021. Market topped January 4th of 2022. So this was a month advance. Went into a bear flag and it broke down here. 114, where's 114? Actually, hold on. It was this bear flag, my bad. Right there. Broke below this bear flag. What ended up happening? 2-3. Where's 2-3 on the SPY? Right here. What happened? Dropped. Broke below this bear flag. This bear flag marked the bottom. However, the next bear flag, 4-5, was right here on the SPY. If we go to the next bear flag, was 429. Where's 429 on the SPY? Right here. Dropped. The last one that broke down was on 531 on TLT. Make sure you guys are clicking that like button though. We got 80 people up in here and only 27 likes, so make sure you guys are clicking that like button. But what was this? 531. Where's 531? Right here on the SPY. So TLT went into another bear flag and broke below it yesterday. 627, which is right here. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens. Again, it's not, set in stone that this is going to happen every time, but out of how many bear flags we just look at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of the last 5 times, if it happened for the market headed lower 4 out of 5 times, there's an 80% probability that this thing is more than likely going to continue going lower. Now, we do have that inverse head and shoulders, so it's really hard to get market sentiment readings right now. Maybe the bonds will eventually go the opposite way of the S&P, which is typically what happens. Bonds go up, market goes down. Market goes up, bonds go down. That's typically how it goes. But yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. But that's my little market update for you guys. So again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. We got 90 people in here and only 40 likes. Remember, once we hit 150 likes, that is when I will drop the watch list. Our EFA is gapping up overnight and it hit my first price target. So as long as it can hold this level, I will be looking to sell probably like 75% of my position and then just hold my runners with stop loss break even. Good morning, fam. How we doing? So bring this over here. 1 hour. I will tell you something. SPY looks very interesting. 1 hour, 4 hour. Take off time and sales chart. Come on, there we go. But yeah, how's everybody's day yesterday? You guys make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know. Also, how'd you guys like the GD? There we go. The vlog that I did with GD. How'd you guys like that? You guys want more? More vlogs with me and GD? Let's go to the weekly watch list real quick. So, yep, consumer confidence at 10. SPY does have that squeeze trying to fire up. I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Would like to see that squeeze fire. But Airbnb. Thank you, Chris. Alright, fine. Me and GD will do more. Airbnb 103.3. There is liquidity at the 105s. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Airbnb, AMD. Not really interested in AMD unless it got above 86.93. It's not me that's shipping the hoodies. That's all GD. He's gonna be mad when he sees those, how much it costs to ship. Amazon 114.25. I'd be interested there. Amazon, boom. Then let's see, DLTR. Oh, I forgot to look at DLTR yesterday. I got an alert that it broke. Okay, it came back in. Good. Good. So I'm still looking for an entry here. It just really depends liquidity. So it seems like all the liquidity is out in August. Maybe we can do a spread. We'll see. But keep that. EFAs gapping up. Whoops. Look at GME. I think GME's in a 4-hour bear flag. Yeah, it is. Slightly. But I like it more on the daily. It's saying that squeeze does want to fire up. That's why we're in those butterflies. So we'll see what happens there. GME can move. When GME wants to move, it will move. Butterflies were stupid cheap. So I'll risk it for the biscuit. Take GME off. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 120 people in here and only 67 likes. If you guys want that watch list, gotta run it up. 150 likes. That's the goal. IBM. I don't think I'm gonna be given an entry on IBM. I really want to try to snag a swing, but it's too overextended on the daily. I want to wait for a pullback. Nvidia, like that above pre-market highs, 170.1. Let's see, Nvidia, PDD. Not really interested. And then Zoom. I think we came to the conclusion that Zoom doesn't have any open interest or liquidity. Let's see if that changed. Yeah, not really. So forget Zoom. Let's go through the day trading watch list. Let's see what's squeezing. Looks like we got a 1-hour squeeze on Apple, 30-minute on AMD, 30-minute on Amazon. Coin no squeezes, Costco squeeze. What is this? GME daily squeeze. We already talked about that. Meta 1-hour squeeze, MU 1 hour, QQQ 1 hour. Few 30-minute squeezes as well. Cool. Let's we actually didn't look at QQQ. Let's look at that. Oh, that thing does have a very nice 1-hour squeeze. Very, very nice. Good morning, Mike. I mean, QQQ, I'd really be interested 295. That's where I would be the most interested. If we can crack above there, that's more than likely when the squeeze is going to fire. So, or probably if it breaks below this low, we'll try to fire down. We'll see though. It came right up to that trend line yesterday. Remember, I gave you guys that in the SPY and QQQ update on Saturday. Went straight to it. Hit it pretty much to a T. So, let's see what levels we're at. Hit the 61.8% retracement yesterday. Yeah. So QQQ, that 1 hour squeeze, very interested. It just really depends on what it does. Yeah, I have a few videos on it, on how to set up Thinkorswim. The Apple squeeze, very interested. 142.63 if we can get up there. We did fill the gap. Boom. Apple. Again, people be sleeping on those QQQ and SPY levels that I give you guys completely for free every single Saturday. People sleep on them and they smack. If you guys are not marking your charts for a weekly overview of SPY and QQQ with the levels I'm giving you, I don't even know what to tell you. You're taking the free education, free levels, and not using it to your advantage. We already established Amazon. Let's look at Baba. Damn, is Baba gonna try to go again? I'll trade Baba again. I don't care. What is that? 121.04. For real, if you're sleeping, best be waking up. And for the ones that don't know what I'm talking about, hold up. This video right here, every single Saturday, give you a complete, all my levels, SPY, QQQ, TLT, etc. right here. And then I give you all of my top stock levels every single Sunday. So this is Saturday, this is Sunday. Then throughout the week, I mean, right here, you can see I did it every single Saturday and Sunday. But if you're sleeping, I don't know what to tell you. It's time to wake up if you're ready to make some money. But yeah, real quick, in case you guys didn't know, my new trading ebook has officially released. If you guys would like to pick yourself up a copy, it's currently 483 pages, and I talk basically everything I know about trading in that book. So again, if you guys would like to cop it, link is in the description. So it looks like S&P is getting smacked. Let's see if there's news. Hold on. That's about to invalidate like a lot of our setups. It's Elon Musk's birthday. Happy birthday. There's Russia news. Goldman Sachs news. Goldman sees the losses topping 1.2 billion from its consumer push. White House National Security Advisor says discussions have begun with countries including India on Russia gas cap implementation. Hopefully I just said that word correctly. And then someone from Russia, the more Western countries pump Ukraine with weapons, the longer this conflict will last. Interesting. Hey, Sophie, I'm glad I can help. Very glad I can help with you. I don't know why the market would drop off of that. I mean, if I had to assume it was the Goldman Sachs news. Hold on. Let me see if we have, yes, we do have news. Retail inventories, 1.1% expectation, 1.6%, last 0.7%. Wholesale inventories, 2%, expectation 2.1%, last 2.2%. I could have swore we had a bunch of stuff dropping today. Today's Tuesday. Oh, 9 a.m. we have the housing index, consumer confidence 10, and then we have a Fed president 12:30. Cool. All right, let's see what Baba coin. I'm really interested in Costco. I mean, I would assume Costco would move off of that, but I don't think. Yeah, there's no liquidity. Can't trade that. 0WD again. Make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 162 people up in here and only 93 likes. Gotta run it up to 150 likes. If you guys want the watch list. Let's see, CRWD. $185, but the 40, it's got a $40 spread. Don't care about that. Chevron. Not interested in that. We already looked at GME. Meta, 1 hour squeeze. We can get above here. See that 171.73. Hit it to a T yesterday, that monthly pivot. Actually came right up to the neckline. For that 4 hour head and shoulders it's forming. Shoulder, shoulder, head. It's probably gonna dip down and form 2 shoulders before it breaks. But, you know, if it wants to break out today, I will gladly take that. Microsoft, 30-minute squeeze. Whoever asked about Microsoft, watch it above pre-market highs, 266.5. I know. Trust me, I've been grinding these videos. Like, I got new content on the way. Hopefully, you know, it's well perceived and I get more subscribers off of it. But yeah, literally my goal with this YouTube channel is just to educate. It's my biggest thing, giving free education to you guys. The only thing that I ask is for you guys to click the like button. That's it. And of course, subscribe. But low-key, YouTube, first off, YouTube doesn't even pay me that much. Dead serious. I just do it because I low-key, like, as crazy as it sounds, I like making these videos for you guys. I enjoy making the videos. But yeah, YouTube really doesn't pay me that much. So I do it for you guys. It says SPX is in a bunch of squeezes. Let's see, we already looked at SPY. SQ don't care about. Target don't care about. Actually, I want to see how Target moved off of that news. Let's see. No liquidity. Tesla. Yeah, my goal is just to try to become the biggest YouTuber in the stock world. Like, there's tons of great YouTubers out there. Like, I can name a bunch of them right off the top of my head. But the reason why I started YouTube in the first place was because when I started trading, and you would go on YouTube and like try to search anything technical analysis based, you couldn't really find anything. All you really found was people talking about MACD and RSI like it was the holy grail. Or it's so simple, when this moving average crosses above this moving average, you do a buy. Or if it crosses to the downside, you do a sell. It's not that simple. Like, you'll find really good YouTubers like Warrior Trading, for example. He's a fantastic trader and he puts out good content, but he doesn't really teach you in the content that he puts out. You have to buy his $6,000 course just to learn how to trade. So, you know, me, when I started trading, I didn't have that money to buy a course for $6,000. Like, Warrior Trading, he puts out videos like where he does educate. It's not like what I'm trying to put out on this channel, if that makes sense. Exactly. Not that simple. Now there's another fantastic YouTuber is, what's his name? Carmine or something like that. That dude's a beast. Supply and demand guy. Talks a lot about reading the tape. He has a video on how to draw supply and demand, but his channel is more, it's not like teaching the technicals, if that makes sense. It's more psychology based. But yeah, literally my goal for this YouTube channel is to put out as everything that I know. And I mean, if you guys want to buy the book or anything else that I offer, like teachings and stuff, that's completely up to you. But as you guys know, I don't really, I guess I talk about my book because I worked really hard on that, but I don't self-promote too much besides that. Main thing I want is just for you guys to watch the video, like the video, and subscribe. Yeah, Carmine. Fantastic trader. Dude's a beast. But yeah, that's my views on it. Anyways, let's narrow this list now. Airbnb. On 3.3. Love to hear it. I hope you enjoy it. If you're buying it off of Shopify, first off, after I filed my complaint with BBB, Better Business, Gumroad gave me my payout. So it hit my account this morning. So first off, screw Gumroad. I will never, ever, ever, ever use them again. Terrible company. If you ever write a book, an ebook, do not do it through Gumroad. But yeah, if you guys purchase the ebook through Shopify, you gotta DM me on Instagram so I can get you in the book Discord server. Because with Gumroad, I could send out the invites with the book, but on Shopify, I cannot. So yeah, I would love to have. Again, I keep messing up his name. I don't know how to actually say it. Carmine. That actually, like, how do you pronounce it? I would love to do a video with him. I would love to be able to, you know, interview him. He's probably like one of the realest on YouTube. So I like him a lot. But I think I like Airbnb. Airbnb, love, AMD. Yeah, Shopify, they have their split today, no? When's it split? What, are they going to be a $37 stock? Or did they already split? Yeah, we talked about that TLT. That's going to be important. AMD might be a nice short opportunity. I'll try to reach out to him. I'll see what he says. I doubt it though, because he's a lot bigger than I am. The hell? Where did it? 14.25. Oh, I had the wrong chart pulled up. I do like Amazon. What's Bookmap? Is Bookmap the order flow platform? Shopify. Split. Nvidia, that's actually nasty squeeze. Like, yeah, I'll try to reach out to him. Maybe do like an Instagram live with him. I don't know, guys. That QQQ squeeze is nasty. I would really, really like to see what happens at 295. Squeeze. Yeah, I was looking into that. I just don't have enough monitors. I have this this fourth one, but it's just sitting here. I haven't put it up yet. Waiting for a stud finder. That way I don't put it into the wall and the whole wall collapses. That would be terrible. But yeah, just waiting to get a stud finder. I think my dad might have one, so I gotta go to their place. Guys, there's so many squeezes. The thing is, because, hold on. Yeah, meta, God. There's a lot of traders out there, obviously. I respect a lot of traders, but if I were to go like live with him, it wouldn't be because I want the clout. Whoops. There we go. Thank you for the subscribe. It wouldn't be because I want the clout. I'm gonna get the chance to talk to the guy. He's a beast. Microsoft not interested in. We can take that off. Tesla, we can take that off. All right, we narrowed the list a little bit. Is AMD in a 1 hour descending triangle? Kinda. Actually, it is. If it broke above that trend line. Sometimes it depends what I'm trading and is it breaking out. So if it's kind of just sitting at a level, more than likely I could snag a limit order. But if it's breaking out and it's something that's moving quick, then I'm gonna have to mark it. Boom, right back to that trend line. Amazon 114.25 looks really good. What are the futures doing? Futures coming back up. Really, EFA? You really had to do me like that? I have no idea what my cat's doing, but it just knocked something over. That Amazon does look good. Amazon, Airbnb. Airbnb's got a lot of room. Right now we're just doing process of elimination. What looks the best? Thank you for the subscribe. I appreciate it. Video looks really good. Apple looks really good. $114.49, $114.56. What is anchored VWAP? I actually see a lot of people talk about that. I've never used it. Where's that 200 SMA on Baba? We're gonna put this on the list again. 122.56. So just let everyone know, tons of squeezes today. Yes, I did look in a video. Let's see, Baba looking for the break above 121.04 for calls. Price target equals 121.38. Is it just, I'm assuming it's a long-term VWAP based on a daily time frame? This thing's got room to start booking it. $21.38. 122.56. 122.85. Boom. There's Baba. Put that on the list. Love that 1 hour squeeze. Meta. I would like to see Meta come back up. Be very interested if it did. Let's see, Nvidia Same thing, 30-minute squeeze, 170.01. Would be very interested there. $171.05. I think Nvidia is going to find its way onto the list. Apple too. Apple looks really good. Even though I literally hate trading Apple, I think it's going to be on the list today. Yep, let's do it. Apple, another 1 hour squeeze. Looking for a break above 142.63 for calls. Price target equal 143.49, 144.56, 145.39. There's Apple. Obviously, we're going to be watching SPY and QQQ. Two more. Amazon. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. We need 15 more likes to hit the goal of 150 likes, and you guys will get the watch list. And then, again, real quick, in case you guys are just joining and you did not know, if you would like to purchase my new trading ebook, there's a link for that. Basically, in that ebook, I talk everything I know about when it comes to trading, and it's currently 483 pages long. So, hope you guys enjoy it. But yeah, if you want to pick yourself up a copy, that is the link. Amazon, I would be very interested, 114.25, but you have limited room to the upside of only like 40 cents. Now, if it breaks above there, obviously, you know, it has more room. It's right back in the trend line. It's currently breaking below it. It is a 1 hour trend line, so it has to close below on the 1 hour. So, I don't know. That might find its way onto the list. Let's see. So, if it's above the EMAs, but you have arrows pointing down, you look for call. Yeah, because if it's above the moving averages, more than likely those arrows will flip on the other side. Nvidia looks really good. If it can get up there, Nvidia. Might be Meta. Airbnb and Meta. Airbnb. Tell you what, I'm gonna just set an alert. Airbnb at 103.3. If it breaks above that, it's got room to go to 105.33. Oh wait, no. Yesterday's high, obviously, 104.17. 102.05. I don't know. I really like the squeeze setups on Meta and Nvidia. Let's do Meta and Airbnb. Boom. We need one more like. Super close. Let's see. Meta. Looking for calls above 170.95. Price target equal 171.73. 172.58. 1 hour squeeze. Airbnb. Airbnb. Looking for calls above 103.3. Price target equal 104.17. 105.33. 105.67. Okay, so before I drop the watch list, just know I could be completely wrong with what's happening today, right? I like everything more to the upside, but we do have consumer confidence at 10. So market could go the complete opposite way. I'm just going based off of what I see and what I think is going to happen. And in that scenario, I'm more bullish today, but market, it's not set in stone what's going to happen. So it could flip, go the complete opposite way. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna watch both ways. Let's see, dude, send me a link and let me send some scripts your way. Send them to me on Instagram, or not Instagram, Discord. I like Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim is my main platform, but yeah, market could go the complete opposite way. If that's the case, obviously we're gonna look for different setups, but this is just what I like. None of this is financial advice. Everything's based on my opinion only. I'm not responsible for any lost funds. Options trading is very, very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment. So as always, make sure to do your own due diligence and use proper risk management, or you're gonna lose your ass. So let's see, Baba. I'm gonna drop them in the chat here in a minute. Baba, Apple, Meta, and Airbnb. Bingo. So here's the watch list, because we did hit the light goal today. Baba, Apple, Meta, Airbnb. Again, that's everything I'm going to be watching today. Market could flip and go the complete opposite way. If that's the case, I'm going to just look for, different setups by QQQ. But yeah, make sure you guys mark those levels. And, if levels are broken, make sure there's confirmation. If you take the trade, use risk management. If it goes against you, get out the trade. It's that simple. No reason you should be blowing accounts on one given trade. But yeah. So make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys this completely free watch list. Put them bell icons on so I upload daily YouTube videos. So if you're not subscribed, I don't know what's wrong with you. And then again, if you would like to purchase my new trading ebook, there is the link for that. Other than that, if you guys are in the Discord server, I'll talk to you guys in like 20 minutes. But yeah, everybody enjoy your day.